Hello YouTube, I'm back again with another video. Today we're out in the workshop and I just recently purchased this electric pressure washer. It's a Portland from Harbor Freight, and yes, this is going to be my first pressure washer I've ever owned. I've used many. I've used electric one before. I don't know what brand it was. Borrowed it from the neighbors. And of course the gas pressure washers I've used. And again, I borrowed from the neighbors. Had to do some odds and ends around the house. So I figured instead of me borrowing all the time, I figured I'd get my own. And I didn't want nothing too expensive, and I'm getting away from gas because of the gas prices. They're really terrible. So I'm going to try this electric pressure washer from Harbor Freight. Now this is going to be an unboxing. I'm just going to unbox it, show you what you get inside, and hopefully I'll make another video me actually using it. But here we go. It's a 1750 psi, 1.3 GPM, gallons per minute. You know, it's on the lower end, and again, I don't need nothing too fancy for what I do. So let's go ahead and open this baby. Got my trusty knife out here. It's actually a brand new knife. It's a little dirty. The first one I bought, I busted a tip off about that much. So yeah. So I bought another one of these Kershaw knives. These things are amazing. Alrighty. I think it's all cut through. Okay, so when you open up the box, this is what you're greeted with. Come down here a little bit so I can see it. You got your owner's manual, which I don't know if I'm going to ever look at that. Maybe. Throw that over here. And then you have your little detergent sprayer, or whatever you want to call it. That thing. Low pressure, yeah, that's a bottle. Okay, it looks pretty generic. Which again, I don't care for right now. I'm going to use it and form my own opinion with it. And you got some type of a bracket. Like this. I wonder if I can. Oh, I can't do that one-handed. Alrighty, let's see if I can with one hand. It's pretty heavy for what it is. It's packed in there somewhat nice. There's no foam. Just a piece of cardboard. Divider. Alright, so we'll go ahead and lift this stuff out. Oh, you got the wand. Pretty nifty. Go ahead and grab that. Oh, that's the back. Alright. You got your wand tip. Well, that's pretty heavy for what it is. Everything's plastic. Again, a piece of cardboard. Let's see if I can get that out of there. No. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and lift up. I'll tell you what, let me get this out of the package. I'll be right back. Everything out of the box. So here it is. This is what you get. You get your hose. It's only a 20-foot hose. A lot of people are griping about the length of the hose. I mean, it all depends what you're doing with it. And if you want to keep moving your machine. Alright, so it comes in, it's a wrapped bag with the machines in that bracket, everything you see right here. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take it out of the package. I gotta get my trusty knife back out. Alright, so still in the plastic bag. Try to get that out of there. Lift it up. There, voila. Pretty simple. This must be the on and off switch. Oh my god. Oh, it's so funny looking. Okay. Anyways. This is what she looks like when you turn it around. There's your inlet for your garden hose. And then your, I think it said it had a GFI plug end on it. Let me take a look here. Pretty sure it does. Get it out of the little bag here. Yeah. Little safety here. Okay, well, it comes with the little covers for that. So it looks like this here. Looks like it goes down here like this. But let's read the instructions and we'll put this together. Yes, I grabbed the instructions and I didn't pull them out, but I noticed on the back you have this wire thing, and there was a little bag of screws, a little Ziploc bag of screws, 4 to put the handle on right here in the front. You got the 2 down here and you got the 2 up here. You have to use a long skinny for these ones down in here. It goes in there pretty deep. That's pretty deep. And the top ones I used this right here. It's not too deep. So that's what she looks like. I got the bracket on here that holds the hose. And this thing here, you turn it and goes out like this. Turn it back in and locks into place. So yeah. There, it's all put together. Like I said, it's pretty straightforward. Didn't really read the instructions. I just can't wait to use this thing. Hopefully soon. So, yeah. But that's it on the unboxing of the Portland 1750 PSI electric pressure washer from Harbor Freight. Well, I hope you like this video, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you do, and let me know in the comments down below if you have one of these and how you liked it. I think the gun goes in here like that. The wand goes in here like so. You can probably do it any which way you want. Alright guys, thanks a lot, and I'll be talking to you.